Welcome back, boys. As you can tell, I'm all suited up. One of my birthday gifts that I got earlier this year. You guys might be wondering where the hell I'm going. Suited up like this in this huge jacket. Well, right now I'm gonna pick up my friend Alex. I'm gonna meet up with the homie Sam, Black Q50, Tony, and my boy Oscar. We're gonna do a little Christmas canyon run at Mount Baldy. Just met up with all the boys, pumping some gas. Like I said, the homie Sam and the Q50 is joining us. Tony, you guys already know. And then my homie Oscar. Junior's garage.
Fuck work.
And then we got Tony, Miggy, and then we got the work truck joining us today. I forgot about morning canyon runs, or afternoon, I guess.
Why are they packed?
It's not packed, but I mean, there is a town up there that people are trying to get to and stuff.
Yeah.
And on this one, it's like pretty bad idea to overturn. You'll see why in a bit. Oh yeah. Oh, I gotta warm them up. I'm all-wheel drive. I gotta do it the proper way. All right, we're good now. Oh, look, snow. Oh my! You heard that? Fat rock. Was that actually? Thought it was my water bottle. You think that's why From PPF was made? For stuff like this? Actually, nah. Well, yes and no, huh? Because regardless of like roads and stuff, you still get like...
Yeah, bugs and all that shit.
I want to overpass, but I'm scared. Like, Tony's already ready.
Oh, that's Tony. I was like, that noise.
Yeah, like, you see? I don't want... Yeah, look, I'm not trying to put that guy at risk. Small brakes, and I know those aren't mine. Everything's good. That burning smell should not be me. Imagine just driving home and hearing that. Brake hard, what the hell? It was brake hard to smack that metal bed.
Why that guy stuck in the fucking middle?
No turning signal, no nothing, bro. Hey, but we're the reckless ones. I don't want to make Tony slam on his brakes. Coolant was a little high, I can't lie, but it's back to normal temp. Try not to lose traction. Fuck. That lady nodding her head for?
The white lady?
Yeah. That's not the type of snow bunny I want. I wish I had like a Popson or something just for her. You see why I missed my other car? I would have been like, bah, 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 bah. Bro, I checked my oil today, not gone down, bro. And I've been pretty aggressive with my car lately.
Oh, there he is.
Yep. I wonder where the others are at. I'm gonna tell Tony let's park up right here for a bit so they could catch up. Let's chill right here till they catch up, because if not, they're gonna be like.
I stopped because this shit was working at top.
Oh, it was?
And I was like, fuck, but for like a little bit, and I was like, fuck. And then since we were like in residential, I was like, fuck, dude.
You see that white lady? She was like. I press on it just for her. Holy moly. Damn, I forgot how like I guess you can say packed it gets in the morning.
Yeah. I fucking have to work, bro, or else I risk fucking the Morimoto shift. The shift on is slippery. I don't want to fucking miss.
Damn.
That shit was fun.
Hell yeah. Oh crap.
I thought you were gonna go up in there.
Bro, that ramp is huge. Let's get it. Last bit of the canyon. Bro, my intake temp went from 160 to 1. It's going down right now like crazy. This one's more like the cruising, bro. Ooh, come on, car. Nothing but a climb.
I feel like the truck's gonna struggle.
No, yeah, for sure. I remember on my blue car, I would three-wheel like crazy.
Yeah, but your suspension was a lot different, huh?
Yes and no. I mean, that should tell you a lot, though. If my suspension is stiff.
Yeah, I mean, dude, it's not gonna stretch down. What the fuck?
Oh, these humongous brocks. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you my turbo flare.
What the fuck?
I told you.
That's not crazy.
The lower the RPM. I'll show you right now. I'm gonna have to go to first. I swear.
Why does it sound like that?
Cause it's. What was that loud ass tick? I hope I didn't kick a rock to Tony. Bro, if anyone hauls ass up here, they're actually insane. Watch. Build boost real quick. Oh my. First gear again. Hear Tony's car sliding?
Yeah.
We let off at the same time. He's about to rear-end me, bro. I think that's enough turbo flutter. It's time to actually play. .35 Glacier. I don't know what he said. Oof. Tony, slow down, please.
How come there was no last time we were here?
Because it actually rained.
Did it?
Yeah. Bro, yesterday it rained for like 5 minutes max. That crap is fluttering like crazy.
This is where we discovered your car with like flutters, man.
I know. I didn't even know it did that. I just thought it did this. Oh, it's dead ass every time I let off. Oh, hella brugs. Sorry, Tony. I hope I didn't kick any to you. Watch. Who said that?
I'm saying, do you think there is?
Oh, Oscar said it does snow up there. It's just like...
Yeah, it does. But it's like, when it's super cold, but it was, remember when we went last time, it was like in the 30s?
Yeah. Oh yeah, 31 is crazy. If it rains, I'm pretty sure that's snow.
Because it rained like around us, so I'm assuming it'd be even closer to this. Let it breathe.
Oh. I fell right into the hole. Look at that.
Oh shit.
That was old. That Tesla was probably like all that just for us to catch up. Oh, my pants are freezing. Is that right here? Cause up there, it's the like the snowboarding and stuff.
There's no snow.
Yeah, that's the thing. There's no snare. This is it. The rest is just like snowboarding stuff, which I mean, there's no snow. It's rather, you guys want to park here or you guys want to park down there?
Whatever. It's fucking freezing.
Bro, I was telling Alex, like, is it freezing or is this thing just huge?
No,
because I don't feel anything.
Like, my body's not cold, but like my face and my hands are cold.
For me, it's my legs, bro. Right now I moved around and you're...
We can just park up here, bro. You said up there is just fucking...
going on a skiing trip right now or what?
Alright, but if someone pulls up 10-hand tickets, we out. Low key, I want to do a donut. I low key want to do a donut.